If you ever encounter this, run very fast and ask for help. In the world there are different types of animals with very peculiar appearances. Some are very ugly and rare, while others are just beautiful. However, not everything is as it seems, because the rare ones may be harmless and the beautiful ones are the dangerous ones. That is why before we approach any animal, we must know it well. That is the case of the next caterpillar that looks like a tender ball of hairs. But do not be fooled by this beautiful appearance. If you touch it, it can cause you a lot of pain and put your life in serious danger. This animal is known as caterpillar puss. The same can be found in the branches of the trees of the garden plants and parks. This caterpillar lives mainly in the Central American countries. However, its place of origin is still unknown. Scientifically, this animal is called Megalopyge opercularis and is very dangerous. Although on the outside it seems to be covered with many hairs that makes it look tender, they are not. In fact, they are grouped prongs that look like hairs, but actually penetrate the skin and sting. Upon contact with us, these barbs break and remain inside the skin. This causes us much pain. What to do if we are stung by it? In case you have been bitten by this animal, we must take some steps. First of all, we must know that the venom will move from the place of the bite to other parts of the body. This will give you a pain that you would never have imagined having anything. To remove the embedded prongs on the skin, we can use masking tape. According to the doctors, it is necessary that we wash the area of the bite very carefully with soap and water. Then you should press the affected area with an ice pack to reduce the pain. If after a few minutes the pain is not reduced, go quickly to the nearest hospital. I ask